it's me and Ashkan. For today's video ay tuturuan tayo ni Kylie na kung paano gumawa daw nitong, what's this?
Gel.
So, pang gel, yung pang siya sa kamay. So, tuturuan tayo ni Kylie kung paano gumawa nun.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so, meron tayong tape, and then goma, and also scissors. Okay, Kyle, teach us how to do it.
Need this guy.
Yeah. So, first, we need to get this.
Lola.
Any color?
Yeah.
We pick this one. You want this?
Yeah.
Okay. So, gusto niyo daw to. Tapos, lagay niyo lang ganyan. Tapos, ganyan. But, we don't need tape kasi pag ginanyan ko,
Guys.
tapos, ganyanin niyo. Yan. Tapos, ito.
I don't need tape.
No, we don't. Tapos, sila.
I need
Boom!
tape.
Diba? You know magic? You don't need tape. See? You don't need any tape. And you can just do that. So guys, ito yung nagawa ni Kylie kanina. Tapos yun yung sa akin. Ginawa ko lang yun. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Guys. Kay ate to, no?
Yeah, tapos ito yung sa kanya. Tinape niya. Tapos, ayun.
Lola yan.
Tapos, you just need this. You don't need anything. Just only this. Tapos, itali niyo ng ganun-ganun. Hindi ko na makita. Okay, guys. Bye, guys! Don't forget to like and subscribe! Bye! Say bye,